Hey, Delanique. Just showing people how they can get an 800 credit score for $19.95. So my system going to teach you how to obtain your credit score, how to read your credit report, how to dispute items on your credit report. It's going to teach you how to remove negative payment history from your credit report. I know a lot of right now there's a lot of negative payment history on people's credit report that's hindering them. And so my system shows people, how to dispute the letters, okay? So here go, the dispute letter is already done for you. All you need is your driver license, right? Here go letter 1. You put your name and your information there. The letter is already done for you, okay? That is most people's problem. They don't know what to send, what to do, but here it is. It's already done for you, okay? All you have to do is put your information in and get a notary. That's it. And then after one round, you do dispute letter 2. Okay, it's all right here, okay? So I love this system. It has dispute letter 3. It gives you all the rounds, okay? So you should not go in 2021 with bad credit, okay? You need to be using other people's money, okay? If you don't know the credit reporting statute and limitations, here is the information right here. All right, so it lets you know that, hey, Mary Williams, it lets you know right here the types of accounts, first and foremost, that's probably on your credit report. Most collection agencies, they sell people information. So you probably owe one apartment or one person, but now they sold your information. So if they sold your information, you no longer owe that person, okay? If you got a foreclosure should be removed from your credit report in 7 years, okay? If you don't have it removed yet, I got the letter that can help you do that, okay? If you had to file bankruptcy, Chapter 13, any of those things, if you got tax liens, okay, it removes all of that as well. If you want, here go the letter, how to remove IRS tax liens off your credit report. If you got some medical bills that need to be removed, here is the letter, okay? And see, what I love about this most, because it tell you, this HIPAA, they don't supposed to be giving out people information. And so it's a little trick that we use to show people that, if they expose your information, they violated the HIPAA. So you need to remove those credit collections off your account, okay? I'm only giving this away to the first 50 people for $20, all right? It's normally $100, but I'm giving it away for $20 today, okay? So here go the collection account validation letter. So if you got some stuff on your credit that has went to collections, then boom, here is the letter that you need, okay? This is the letter that you need. Here go the HIPAA violation letter. Is already done for you. Okay, so all you got to do, everything in red, you will put your information in everything that's red. Okay, everything that's red, you will put your information. Those letters are there for you as well. Okay, the debt validation letter, that letter is for if you got people calling you, asking you to pay bills, or they have sold your credit, then you have to ask. Most credit collection places, they don't give out all the information. They sold your debt, okay? So most of the time, they cannot validate the debt. So you need this letter, okay? You need this letter because a collection agency just bought your name and social security number. So they need to validate the debt. And so you need to send them this letter, okay? What's up, 2G Kemp? Y'all like and share this video with somebody who needs to fix their credit, okay? 2021 is the time to use other people's money. So if you got a business that you want to open up and you don't have the money to do it, all you need is credit. That's all you need is credit. So you can use other people's money. And so here is the rundown of the state and state limitation, okay? They got the states in order right here. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me know. And I can answer your questions, okay? This is the 6 line letters. It also tell you when to use a goodwill letter, okay? It has that. When to use a pay for delete. Okay, if you got some negative payment history, you could possibly use a pay for delete letter. So you'll say, listen, I'm going to pay it, but I need for you to delete it off my credit report, okay? And so this letter is right here as well. All right, you ask them, hey, I'm going to pay this amount, but if you agree to the terms, I will send certified payment in the amount blank blank payable to collection aides in exchange to have all information related to this debt removed from my credit files, okay? So you need this too. $20, y'all. $20 will take you to a 850 credit score, okay? And so you may be saying, well, $20 seem like a lot, okay? $20 seem like a lot, but this is a whole income shifting system. If you work a 9 to 5, you need to correct your W-4. You need to eliminate debt. You need investment education. You're going to get all of this for $20, okay? Investment education. Okay, it has asset building webinar right here, okay? So for me, it's really the credit for me. You know what I'm saying? It's really the credit for me. It's really the credit for me. And so I had to pay over $100 for this system. And so it's yours for $20, you know, giving you a real roadmap to a 750 credit plan, giving you a real roadmap on how to read your credit report, giving you a real roadmap on how to dispute items on your credit report, giving you a real roadmap on how to remove credit negative payment history, okay? Giving you a real roadmap to how to reduce your credit utilization, okay? Giving you a real roadmap on how to add credit. Oh, yes, this is good right here, how to add credit, because some people just need trade lines, right? How to increase your length of history, okay? It has that. How to build credit paying rent, all right? If you're paying rent, boom, you can pay your rent and still boost your credit up, okay? So it's really a no-brainer for $19.95, okay? You're going to spend $20 for lunch today or dinner today, all right? You want to know how to check your disputes, how to properly apply for new credit, right? All this stuff, y'all, is like a gift from heaven, okay? So you get the My Credit system for $19.95. I'm going to post the link in my comment box. And if you have any questions, just inbox me. Inbox me, y'all. Inbox me. You inbox me. You deserve to have a 750 score as well. All right, guys. So we'll chat later. Bye-bye for now.